Hey guys, today we are making slime, so we're gonna start. So this is how to make slime without glue or borax, which is activator, or dough or clay, either of those. So you need a container, any type of container. I don't want your parents to yell, so use a container that no one uses. Any kind of soap, any kind of dishwash. You need foam. If you don't have foam, guys, it's fine. I just want to try this foam because I bought it. Some water, there's water in here. And a tool to mix. So first, we're going to take the dishwash. We're going to put as much as you want your slime, the amount of your slime to be. I want my slime to be not so large, not so small, but just fine. Then we are going to mix this. Mix. I'm now going to put cuts. So yeah. Okay guys, so I'm done mixing. Now you have to put your water. Guys, this is water. I must say drink it. I drank it. Put water. But you put in here the tablespoon. Oh no. Water. That's about enough. And mix everything. Some more dishwash to make it thick. And you need thick dishwash, guys. Add this. If you don't have it, it's fine. And mix, and then leave it for 2 hours. And I'll see you guys back.